We are students of final year Mechanical Engineering, Shroff SR Rotary Institute of Chemical Technology. Our project ID is 128831. The topic of today's presentation is standing frame. Our project is guided by Mr. Girish Brahmakshatriya. Starting from the abstract, our project is concentrated on physically disabled person. They have abnormal muscle tone and posture. Due to this, they have problem with their body posture, hip stability, lackness in cardio fitness, and they also face problem in social life. The main intention of this project is to improve body posture and the condition of walking in scissor manner. In this project, we are using abduction pad, which will transfer complete weight of the body to the base. Now moving to the introduction part, the aim of our project is to improve the body posture. The standing frame available in the market transfer body weight onto the table from the hands. And in our project, we are using abduction pad, which transfer complete weight of the body to the base. This abduction pad is also used to improve the condition of walking in scissor manner. To make the head stable, we are using cervical collar. A belt is used to make the body stay in one particular position. To make pelvis area of the body stable, a pad attached to the bed is fitted on the both sides of the body. Now Nikhil will continue.
The next topic is the comparison between the available product in the market and our product. The in available product, the complete weight of the body is transferred to the table and bed. But in our product, the complete weight of the body is transferred to the leg through the abduction pad. The available frame is only constructed to improve the body posture, but in our frame, we will try to improve the body posture and condition for walking in scissor manner. In available frame, the weight and size of the product is high due to which storage and carrying of the product become difficult. But in our product, the weight and size of the product is less compared to the product in the market, and the available product, the cost is the high, and in our product we will try to minimize the cost. Now the next one is the objective. In our the main objective is to improve the hip stability and to improve the cardio fitness, maintain straight and symmetrical posture, and it improve the metabolic rate. Now next topic will cover by Kaushik Vasawa.
These are the components. First one is frame, wheels, clavicle collar, chest belt, hand support, hip support, abduction pad, foot, foot, foot sandal. And last one is conclusion of our project. Body posture will be improved. Condition of walking in a easier manner will be improved. Overall cost will be less. Complete weight of the body will be transferred to the legs through abduction pad. Thank you.